Ever thought of preparing chicken wet fry, but you just don't know how to start? Well, I got you covered. So today on our menu today, we're going to prepare wet fried chicken, and we're going to begin in a short while. In the meantime, guys, if you're new here, I welcome you to my channel. Feel very much welcomed here. Join the family. Don't forget to press the like button, and of course press the notification bell and select all notifications so that you can be updated anytime I upload a new video. So feel very much welcome to our family at Adenyas Kitchen. Of course, I'd like you to leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about this recipe, and you can also let me know if there's any other recipes you'd like me to show you how to prepare. So let's keep the engagement, and welcome to my channel, guys, and let's get started. So for this menu, I'm going to use drumsticks, and by drumsticks, these are the drumsticks. My tomatoes. So I've already sliced them, and this is how they look. And then the next step, I'm going to blend them. Yeah. So I'm just going to put all of them inside my blender and blend them. Yeah. So that they can produce a thick paste. Okay. So blend these, and then we can proceed. To show the video of adding turmeric. I did add turmeric while boiling the chicken, yeah. So I forgot to record that part, but it's okay. So just add your turmeric while you're boiling your chicken. Just a little bit of it to give it some yellow color. So fry this until it's golden brown. So this is looking good. So at this point you're going to add your blended tomato. And mix it. So cover it and cook it for a few minutes. In the meantime, let's get to boil our oil in preparation for frying the drumsticks. So I have just placed my oil into the sufuria and I'm heating it. Once it is ready, then we're going to fry the chicken drumsticks. So our paste is looking good. So the next step is to add dhania. Okay. So add dhania and mix it for the nice aroma. And then switch off the gas and then wait for now the drumsticks. Okay. So just allow it to cool down a little as you prepare the drumsticks. So this is how a tomato looks like. The paste you're going to use to drop the fried drumsticks. It's looking very awesome, yeah? It's looking very nice. You can see that. So what you're going to do is you're going to drop the fried, so these are our fried chicken. They're looking so awesome, yeah? So you're going to drop them into these and cook them for very few minutes because they're already done. So you're just going to like spread the paste onto the chicken for very few minutes. Okay. And serve. So this is the final step.